Welcome back, everyone. Well, these action block things that are popping up on Instagram all the time, it's actually pretty insane. And the last video I did of this actually blew up. A lot of you guys were interested in it, which means that there's a lot of people going through this specific issue. And so I kind of want to explain a couple more ways, of why this could be happening, as well as some ways in how to fix it again. If you want to watch the original one, you can. But I'll go into a little bit more detail in this video as well as some additional ways. So basically, the main reason you might be getting this specific issue and how to fix it is pretty much when you're doing a lot of things on an Instagram account that might be new, or on top of that, if your Instagram account even is an old account, but if you're doing a ton of things at one time, and this could mean that your account could potentially be blocked from doing certain things. Now, a lot of things that can happen is, if you're liking a bunch of photos in a short amount of time, but the main reason that this might come up is if you're following a bunch of people at one certain time. Now, this is kind of weird because as soon as you make an Instagram account, Instagram basically tells you to follow a bunch of people, they tell you to follow a bunch of people, whatever. So it's really weird that they even have this, but it's basically just, take away the bots and take away the robots and all those people who are making fake accounts just to boost up people's profiles. So if you see this, just know that you're not, taking away from Instagram. You're not getting your account hacked or anything like that. It basically just means that you're going to have to wait a while before you go and start following people or whatever. Now, quick tip. Don't go around following a bunch of people in a short amount of time. You want to kind of span that out over, a couple of minutes or days or weeks or whatever. If you're following like 5 or 10 people, it doesn't matter. But if you're following like hundreds and hundreds of people in like 10 minutes, Instagram will consider that probably bot activity and, show you the specific account notification or whatever. Also, another reason you might see this is if you violated Instagram's account policies in some way. So if you're doing a lot of shady things, if you're promoting scams or whatever the case is, Instagram might show you this because they think your account or your activity might be a bot. And that's another reason why you might see this. Now, some new ways to fix this, which if I don't already know, I think I might have already talked about these, is pretty much, deleting Instagram, reinstalling it. That's a big one. That'll help alleviate a little bit faster. Also, if you go log into your web browser in Safari or Chrome or whatever, and you use Instagram that way, I've heard of some ways that actually enables you to go and bypass this sometimes. It's not every time, but sometimes it does allow you, which is really cool. A big one that I also heard was that if you actually go in your Instagram account and you link it to your Facebook page or whatever, Instagram might actually see that you're not necessarily a bot and you're not going to go and, use your account for bot activity. They basically know you're a real person. So connecting your account to Facebook by clicking the 3 dots up there, click open Facebook or whatever it is, and then connecting your Facebook account that way. That's another huge way that you can actually go and prove to Instagram that you're not necessarily a bot. Also, you can log into other devices as well and, try to see if, that specific phone has a specific notification as well. But most of the time, you're just going to have to wait until this thing goes away. Again, it's not going to stay there forever. It's a hugely temporary thing. But again, it could be a really annoying thing that a lot of people have to go through. So that's pretty much it. Just a quick little update to my past video that I've done with this that a lot of people are still having issues with. If you guys have any other questions or any other concerns, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that means so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. Every single subscriber that we get really does count, so it means so much if you guys can hit that. Also, check out those links down in the description as well. My Twitter, my Instagram, my second channel, all those links are linked down below. I'd really appreciate it if you guys would check it out. More importantly, everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.